Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, we have an update for Firefox. It is an update that arrived yesterday, late yesterday, 14th of July. It's rolling out today, July 15th. If you go to the upper right corner, hamburger menu, go down and to Help and About Firefox, you will be moved to version 152.0.6. Now, what's in here? A few bug fixes. There's a few things that weren't right that are being fixed, including a freeze sometimes on Mac OS and a few other little things that weren't correct. But what is particularly important is that it contains 3 critical flaws in security that have been fixed. And for that reason, it is important to update your Firefox. Make sure you're at 152.0.6, as these 3 are critical. Critical means that they're really, really bad, and there is no mention of them being exploited in the wild, basically, but it seems that it's very important to have those fixed if you want to stay safe on your Firefox browser. Doesn't happen very often that we see critical flaws on Firefox, but now we got 3 of them. Sometimes they could be shared. There are some of the Chromium fixes sometimes that are on modules that are shared with Firefox, because even though Firefox is not a browser that is based on Chromium, it uses some of the basic functionalities that sometimes are common to the browsers. So 3 critical flaws, that's the important thing to understand. And if, of course, you got issues, well, I think it's a good idea to update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.